Hlathi wakes up in holding cells, but his attitude has not changed. He's still arrogant and does not regret what he did. Thumeka refused to go see Hlathi, and Likamva thinks that being in prison is going to knock some sense in Hlathi's head. Lazarus vows that Hlathi is not going to get away with what he did, and Zoleka goes to see Hlathi to tell him to drop this whole thing. Kawe shoots her shot and asks Onga on a date. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Uhlathi is still going on, making noise as they were taking him to the cells, going on about how they should be arresting Zoleka, not him, because they're the ones who stole his baby. But Jenjumtanake, Tulani and Tigi were trying to talk to the police, but nothing worked. Uhlathi must sleep emaseleni. They get home again. Finally, Obavumile is home with his parents, and they're happy to have him back because that was such a stressful time for them as a family. So thanks Lazarus for supporting her. Lazarus is like, no, we're family, man, and this is what family does. And she also thanks Kawe for being a big sister. But Kawe is worried about her dad, asking Kuba what's going to happen to Tata Ngoku. Lazarus says, Yazin, we'll deal with this tomorrow. But one thing I can assure you is that Uhlathi will not get away with what he did. So obviously, Uhlathi is going to make things very difficult for Uhlathi. Lazarus is going to make sure that he feels his wrath. And then they just sit standing there admiring their baby, Ubavumile, how perfect he is and that he is all theirs. And finally, they can just enjoy the peace and quiet with Uhlathi behind bars. Uhlathi wakes up emaseleni, spend the night there, sleeping kumatras nje nengubo le umgadambongolo, and wakes up to a man who's using a toilet in the same room with other men sitting there. Now they're calling them to get food. Is this the life Forrest want? Kawa did not even get enough sleep. She's up trying to work on her presentation because she wants to impress Uonga, going on about, hey, if I want to be the next Zoleka Pikicha, I need to work hard. But Zoleka is like, no, man, don't overdo it, and you need to go get that pain checked up. Kawa promises her to Zoya, but wants to know, Zoleka is like, wait, I don't want to talk about Uhlathi Ngoku. And Otumega, her kids are just supporting her. Likamva was saying it's okay to cry. I mean, Uminako is arrested, so it's okay, Mama. You are allowed to feel your feelings. And Uyanga is worried what's going to happen to him. Uzobuya, what's going to happen. Likamva was like, hi, Asaz, no one knows what's going to happen to him. I think being in prison, he's where he's supposed to be. He deserves it. Being in prison is actually going to knock some sense into his head because of Tata. He was just all over the place. And then Unsege comes over in the morning in a Tulani and Tandega. They came to fetch Tumega saying they want to go see Hlathi station and try and negotiate ipeli yakhe. Tumega's like, Andi, up, I'm not going there. But kanjani ke ngoba imali zakamthethe ama-millions akamabandla abanje uwe kuthiwa uwe obambe ikhadi. Like, what? Ama-millions akamabandla, what does she mean? Is she referring to the millions that Zoleka gave Hlathi with divorce settlement? She insisted that Tumega goes with them, but Tumega refused, reminding her that she's a wife. Tumega still refused. She gets there, tells Uhlathi that Tumega refused to come and see you. Utula is like, I don't blame God because everything that is Fagegyana, we don't like it at all. And you need to face the music now. This is a lot. And we hate that you also put us into this mess. Hlathi is still not breaking down. Even Emaseleni is still arrogant, saying Kuba Yena has a right as Ubavumile's father. Yes, what he did was wrong, but Njaga regretted Luto. He's got rights, Umtana Ubavumile, and he's not going to give up. He's going to continue fighting. Uzoleka and Lazarus, they are bribing officials. They want to keep him there, but Yananja is not giving up. Is it forgetting what is the one who's busy bribe? Uzoleka and Lazarus, they don't move like that. So he's hell-bent with Yananga give up. I ati ukhulula wakhe fine ube strong for because nje uzimisele ngento yakho. And then Lazarus comes back from golf, saying she just wants to spend time nobavumile. Uzoleka says we need to talk about Uhlathi. How are we going to handle this whole thing? Lazarus like, not today. Let's let asimiyeke uhlathi amarinate laphaya. Let him stew in that hotel cell. Sizobe simbone. Uzoleka wanted to like interject, but Lazarus was like, no, my love, asimiyeke. Let him stew in there. And then she lies saying that she wants to go see Thumeka and see if Thumeka is okay. And she's lying. She wants to go and see Hlati. Soleka goes to the cells because ubani uHlati did not even sit where visitors sit. Went straight inside the cells. Angazi ukuthi une-connection enjani. Went in there. uHlati was annoyed saying kuba yazi imali yathetha. Bona, look at you inside cells Zoleka. Uzoleka, you need to let this go because ngeke usoze uyiwine le nto and you're hating people that love you. Umndeni wakho uThumeka. This is not just affecting you, Hlati. Let this go. And with everything evidence that esinayo, besides the kidnapping, we already have enough to put you behind bars. So you need to let this go, or else other people are going to pay for your sins. uHlati just takes this thing lightly. Ngathi nje azuzoleka is evil unenhliziyo embi. I hope he listens and drop this whole thing because, but by the look of things, ngeke nje ayeke uLazarus akhulisa umntanakhe. Lazarus has a cute, intimate moment noBavumile. Kanti uLilian is watching from the CCTV footage that they did, no Sydney. Lazarus is busy talking to Bavumile, telling him ukuthi uzomkhusela, and that Bavumile means the world to him. He will go to the ends of the world to protect him, and says that before his life was about money and power, but now, since Bavumile arrived, like everything has changed. Now it's all about family. Yena noZoleka, they changed his life. Ayakangisaca ukusukanga uLilian hearing all these words from Lazarus and realize that he's a changed man now. uQhawe is fixed on trying to impress uOnga, gets to work very early and says ubephupha ngo-Onga telling uZethu. And listening to what uZethu has been saying about her shooting a shot, he also heard uOnga saying that he misjudged uQhawe in the beginning and is quite impressed because uyambona ukuthi uzimisele. The next time uQhawe shows up with lunch, wanting to eat no-Onga. Onga's like, I have another meeting. The next thing uQhawe suggests eat dinner a palette. Even touching his chest, Onga is like shocked with her personal space. The next thing umqala ku dinner which she wants to pitch, and then they must go and have dinner. So as a pitcher, Onga is like, how? I date. I say I on a date. That's why not kill two birds with one stone. I Onga, you know very well, but if you and I go on a date, it will be unprofessional, right? So Onga definitely let her down. Tend to head down, offer her down, because that was so unprofessional. Imagine uOnga is a CEO now dating Inganega CEO. Now that doesn't look good at all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.